Good morning, everyone. Hello. Today our topic is voyage and people who perform this voyage. So let's get started. Voyage is something for disturbance. Sorry for disturbance. So let's get started. Voyage is a long journey people perform by sea. There are many people who perform voyage, and voyage is speaking as
Voyage, voyage,
and voyage definition is a long journey by sea or in space. लंबी समुद्री यात्रा या अंतरिक्ष यात्रा. Many voyages is performed by many people to discover things not to discover a place, island, and many more. One such voyage is done by Mr. Vasco da Gama. Small children made his name as वास्को. मैं वास्को का डगामा का मामा हूँ. Leave that. He was a famous Portuguese voyager. Started started his voyage from Portugal to Servilli. This is not. He to Portugal to India, and when back he come, then he reached to Servilli. Okay. Now comes the route of Vasco da Gama, in which he reached to India to Africa from Portugal. First, he went to Canary Island and reached Cape Verde. Then he continued his journey and reached St. Helena, a island name is St. Helena. Now comes Cape of Good Hope. Then from here he left and did Sofala. Then he went and reached Mozambique. Then he again reached to Malindi. Then he reached to Mogadishu. Then he again, here is some misprint. Then he reached here, and from here he left for Calicut. From Calicut he reached to Goa. Then from here he reached again here. Then he reached here. Then he like this he reached here. But here he, instead of choosing this way, he chose this Azores, a very good place for holidays. But we can't go there. It is our problem. And from here he reached Lisbon. He is the first voyager. First, remember this. He started in 1497, and after 2 years voyage, he reached in 1499. He reached Lisbon again. See, he is Ferdinand Magellan. He is the first person approved that Earth is round. But you know that Earth is not round. Instead, it is oval in shape. Oval. Or you can say it is geoid. Geoid. Uh, on 1419, I didn't know the correct year, but in nearly 1419, a Spanish crew member with five ships and 270 crew members live. And in 1922, they come back at the same place from where they have started their voyage. That prove that Earth is round. Here is
एलियस क्या होता है? एलियस
from Madrid. They leave.
आज
They leave, and they started their boat. Then they reached Canary Island. From there, they reached Cape of Good Hope. Sorry. I'm very confused. What's happened? That From here they reached Santa Lucia Bay, then Rio de Sportix. Then he discovered Cape of Magellan. Then he reached, and again as Earth is round, he come here, Philippines in 1921, and he was killed by tribal people. Then, but 5 crew members with one ship were saved. So they reached to Cape of Good Hope. Then from here they reached to Canary Island. Then they reached to Serbilli. Serbilli. So thank you. Have a good day.
गुड डे
Bye.